Hey everyone, it's your friend Ayabunda, 123B Jock. Today, we're diving into some common foods that might be secretly sabotaging your health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look out for and how to make healthier choices for you and your family. You might be surprised by what you learn. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a big bowl of cereal in the morning? It's quick, it's easy, and those colorful boxes just scream fun breakfast. But many of these cereals, especially those marketed towards kids, are loaded with sugar. We're talking about levels that would make a candy bar blush. Sure, sugar gives you a quick burst of energy, but you end up crashing later, feeling sluggish, and craving even more sugar. Plus, all that extra sugar can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems down the line. Look for cereals with less sugar. Aim for less than 10 grams per serving, and make sure they're packed with fiber. Fiber helps you feel fuller for longer and regulates your blood sugar levels. You can even add some fresh fruit or a sprinkle of nuts for extra flavor and nutrition. Let's make sure we're fueling our bodies with the good stuff, not just empty calories. Canned soup seems harmless enough, right? Perfect for a quick lunch or a cozy dinner on a cold night. But many canned soups are loaded with sodium. We're talking way more than your daily recommended intake in just one serving. Too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. The good news is that there are ways to enjoy soup without all the sodium. Look for low sodium or reduced sodium options at the supermarket. Even better, try making your own soup at home. It's easier than you think, and you can control exactly what goes into it. Let's make sure we're choosing soups that nourish our bodies, not harm them. Who doesn't love a juicy burger or some crispy bacon every now and then? But when it comes to processed meats, moderation is key. These meats, like bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats, have been treated to preserve their flavor and extend their shelf life. Numerous studies have linked processed meat consumption to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Try to limit your consumption to special occasions and choose leaner cuts of meat whenever possible. And remember, there are plenty of delicious and healthy alternatives out there, like grilled chicken, fish, or even plant-based protein sources like beans and lentils. Let's talk about trans fats, those sneaky villains lurking in many baked goods. Trans fats raise your bad cholesterol levels and lower your good cholesterol levels, which increases your risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. They can also contribute to inflammation, insulin resistance, and other health problems. Many countries have banned or restricted the use of trans fats in food, but they can still be found in some processed foods, baked goods, and fried foods. Check the label. Look for products that say trans fat-free or 0 grams of trans fat. Even small amounts can add up over time, so it's best to avoid them as much as possible. So there you have it, 4 common foods that might be secretly sabotaging your health. Choose whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible, and enjoy those indulgences in moderation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.